If you or a loved one has been injured in an industrial accident, you're likely facing immense challenges: physical pain, financial strain, and uncertainty about the future. You're probably searching for answers, for support, and for justice. That's where an industrial accident lawyer steps in. Industrial accidents can be devastating. They happen in a variety of settings: construction sites, factories, oil rigs, warehouses, and can result in severe injuries, even fatalities. These aren't just simple mishaps. They often involve complex safety regulations, multiple parties, and significant legal hurdles. Navigating this landscape alone can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to. What is an industrial accident lawyer? An industrial accident lawyer is an attorney who specializes in representing individuals who have been injured or the families of those killed in workplace accidents within industrial settings. Their expertise lies in understanding the specific laws and regulations that govern these environments, as well as the common causes of such accidents. Why do you need an industrial accident lawyer? Following an industrial accident, your primary focus should be on healing and recovery. However, dealing with insurance companies, employers, and potentially negligent third parties can quickly become a burden. Here's why having an experienced industrial accident lawyer on your side is crucial. Protecting your rights. Insurance companies often prioritize their bottom line and may try to offer settlements that are far less than what you are entitled to. An industrial accident lawyer understands your rights and will fight to ensure you receive fair compensation for your injuries, lost wages, medical expenses, pain, and suffering. Investigating the accident, determining the root cause of the accident, is essential for building a strong case. A skilled lawyer will conduct a thorough investigation, which may involve reviewing safety records, interviewing witnesses, consulting with experts, and reconstructing the events leading up to the incident. This investigation can uncover negligence on the part of the employer, equipment manufacturers, or other responsible parties. Navigating complex legal procedures. Industrial accident cases often involve intricate legal procedures and deadlines. Missing these deadlines or failing to follow the correct protocols can jeopardize your claim. Your lawyer will handle all the necessary paperwork, filings, and legal proceedings, ensuring everything is done correctly and on time. Negotiating with insurance companies. Dealing with insurance adjusters can be stressful and intimidating. They are trained to minimize payouts. Your lawyer will act as your advocate, communicating with the insurance company on your behalf, and aggressively negotiating for a settlement that adequately reflects the full extent of your damages. Representing you in court. If a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiation, your lawyer will be prepared to take your case to court. They will build a compelling legal strategy, present evidence effectively, and advocate fiercely for your rights before a judge and jury. Common causes of industrial accidents. Understanding the common causes of industrial accidents highlights the importance of having legal representation that is familiar with these specific issues. Some frequent causes include equipment malfunction. Defective machinery, inadequate maintenance, or lack of proper safety guards can lead to serious injuries. Lack of training. Employees who are not properly trained on how to operate machinery or follow safety protocols are at a higher risk of accidents. Safety violations. Employers have a legal obligation to maintain a safe work environment. Violations of safety regulations, such as failing to provide necessary safety equipment or ignoring known hazards, can result in accidents. Negligence of third parties. In some cases, the negligence of contractors, subcontractors, or equipment manufacturers can contribute to an industrial accident. Exposure to hazardous materials. Workers in certain industries may be exposed to toxic chemicals or substances that can cause long-term health problems. What to do after an industrial accident? If you've been involved in an industrial accident, taking the following steps can help protect your health and your legal rights. Seek immediate medical attention. Your health is the top priority. Even if you don't think your injuries are severe, it's crucial to get a thorough medical evaluation. This documentation will also be vital for your legal case. Report the accident. Inform your supervisor or employer about the accident as soon as possible, and ensure an incident report is filed. Document everything. Take photos and videos of the accident scene, your injuries, and any damaged equipment. Gather the names and contact information of any witnesses. Do not give recorded statements. Insurance companies may try to contact you for a recorded statement. Politely decline until you have spoken with an attorney. Anything you say can be used against you. Contact an industrial accident lawyer. The sooner you speak with a lawyer, the better. They can advise you on your rights and guide you through the next steps. Choosing the right industrial accident lawyer. Selecting the right lawyer is a critical decision. Look for an attorney who has specific experience. Choose a lawyer who has a proven track record of successfully handling industrial accident cases. Strong investigation skills. They should be capable of conducting a thorough investigation to uncover all the facts. Excellent negotiation skills. They should be skilled at negotiating with insurance companies to secure a fair settlement. Trial experience. If your case goes to court, you'll want a lawyer who is a skilled and experienced litigator. Compassion and communication. Your lawyer should be someone you feel comfortable talking to and who will keep you informed throughout the process. The path to justice. Dealing with the aftermath of an industrial accident is challenging, but you don't have to face it alone. An experienced industrial accident lawyer can be your advocate, fighting for your rights and helping you secure the compensation you deserve. They can provide you with the legal guidance and support you need to navigate this difficult time and pursue the path to justice. If you or a loved one has been injured in an industrial accident, don't wait. Contact our experienced industrial accident lawyers today for a free consultation. We are here to help you understand your rights and explore your legal options. Your journey to recovery and justice starts now.